Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for some practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。因为这几个月当中，几个月前了从7、8、9月啊，大家很喜欢旅行。
对啊，
包括我在内啊，离开了台湾大概快1个月的时间。
你去离航啊
？Oh, is that how you say traveling? 离航是这样子吗？
对啊。
Okay, so that's how you say traveling, and that's what we're gonna teach people today. Words and vocabulary associated with traveling. So one more time, 旅行怎么说？
离航。
离航 So that's to travel. All right, let's make a sentence out of this. 太棒了，终于可以去旅行了。Okay, that means awesome. I can finally take some time to travel.
很好哦。
很好哦，真好啊。Okay.
走得去离航了。
走得去离航了。That means I can finally go traveling.
那海陆腔的旅行。离航。
离航。加航
离航
Oh, 加航啊 So there you go, that's a different dialect for traveling. And when you go traveling, sometimes you make plans with a travel agent. 尤其是去比较不熟的地方啊，通常还是会透过旅行社来订一些机票啦、饭店啦、行程啊等等，对不对？So how do we say 旅行社 a travel agency?
离航沙
离航沙 Okay, that's travel agent. 出国时要找有信用的旅行社。When you go abroad, you should find a credible travel agent.
出国时。
出国时要找有信用的旅行社。
爱情有信用的离航沙。
爱情有信用的离航沙。All right, that means find a credible travel agent when you go abroad. And when we go abroad, we have to check into a hotel. 饭店怎么说呢？
饭店。
饭店就是饭店。
对。
好，你们要住哪家饭店呢？ If you want to ask someone, which hotel are you staying at? How do you say that?
对哦，爱待哪间饭店？
哇，好难哦。来，对，爱待哪间饭店？
Yeah！
这样子两个这样子猜下来还比较容易一点哦。
那你念快一点，我听。
对，爱待哪一间饭店？
算了，你还是慢慢念。
还是慢慢来好。Okay, again, that line which I just said incorrectly means which hotel are you staying at? Now let's review some of these vocabulary right here. 旅行 travel.
离航
Then you have the travel agent 旅行社。
离航沙
And finally the hotel 饭店。饭店 That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.